Hi, my name is Robert James, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Volumil supplement before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Volumil supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Volumil, because Volumil is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is Volumil and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Volumil works. Volumil is an all-natural formula, comprising of a compound made up of 29 nutrients and vitamins, which aids in restoring a person's hearing to normal. A small Amish community in Colorado developed this formula. The supplement works on the premise that the toxins inside your brain impact your hearing, and taking Volumil flushes out these deadly toxins. As this traditional medicine has natural ingredients, it bears no side effects on the patients. In fact, patients have noted a definite improvement in their mental health and sleep quality after taking several doses of Volumil. While other hearing aids require strong drugs and surgeries, Volumil requires a simpler application of taking the correct dosage every day for a few weeks. It is different from other hearing aids because it does not have any side effects, nor is it as expensive or painful as other therapies and surgeries. The patient does not even need to follow dietary restrictions. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Volumil supplement, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Volumil pills for 60 full days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for to Volumil work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Volumil supplement has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Volumil supplement, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Volumil pills actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.